Have you ever opened the Reddit app on your phone and seen the frustrating message, "Something went wrong. Please try again later"? Here's how to fix it quickly so you can get back to scrolling. Most people get this wrong. They think it's a permanent issue with their account, but usually it's a simple app or network problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error disappears. A weak connection often triggers this message. Step 2. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, Reddit Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you can delete and reinstall the app, which clears temporary data. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Sometimes the session has expired or become corrupted, and a fresh login resolves it. Step 4. Make sure your app is updated. An outdated version of Reddit can cause this error. Check your app store for updates and install the latest version. Step 5. Restart your phone. It sounds simple, but this can reset any minor software issues interfering with the app. The surprising truth is that Reddit server issues can also cause this error. If none of these steps work, check Reddit's official status page or social media. They often report outages that affect mobile users. In conclusion, something went wrong messages on Reddit are usually easy to fix by checking your connection, clearing cache, updating the app, or restarting. If the problem persists, it's likely a temporary server issue. Subscribe for more mobile troubleshooting tips, Reddit hacks, and quick fixes for common app problems.